Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And as you know that I am traveling and I have a 6-hour layover in Abu Dhabi. So I decided to show you what the new Abu Dhabi airport, the Sheikh Zayed airport looks like. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I was in the prayer room and I just finished my prayers. So now I'm free and ready to explore. So let's go. Okay, the first stop is going to be something to eat or drink because I have 6 hours, so now is the time. I just came across this cafe and it's a new one, it was not there earlier. Just look at the variety of desserts they have at the airport. The prices are not mentioned, but by looking at it, Todd is open here now and they have an all-day breakfast and also to go snacks. Let's see what they have on their menu. Okay, they are serving beer as well. So, and see, I saw 100% Arabica here, which is one of my favorite brands. So let me see. I spotted a trolley and I'm running to take it because I have so much stuff and I cannot carry it anymore. Alhamdulillah. This is where the last time I had a pistachio croissant and it was croissant and it was really delicious. So let's see, if I don't find anything, we'll come here. I took the elevator because I could not take the trolley from the staircase. Let's go. This is the food court here. We have reached. Hi. How are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm good. Can I okay, the coffee menu or the drinks menu?
Yeah. This is for the English. This is for the Arabic.
Okay. So can I have a Spanish latte, iced?
Size. Do you want the 12 ounce size or 16 ounce size?
This is
12 ounce size.
yeah. Arabica.
Arabica blend. How about the milk? What kind of milk you want?
What milk choices do you have?
Aside from full fat, we have oat, soya, lactose free.
I want lactose free because I am
Sure.
lactose intolerant.
No, sure.
And can you make the Spanish latte medium sweet, not too sweet, not too
Medium sweet for the iced Spanish, huh?
Thank you. Thank you. So I just got my coffee. It's an iced Spanish latte. I was feeling extremely hot, so I wanted something, but I didn't want matcha or anything. I wanted to have coffee because I was feeling very lethargic as well. And then I got a chocolate pistachio cake. The cheesecake is also very good, but then I saw this and then I was like, I'll have this. Let's try the pistachio chocolate cake. It's soft, it's warm. It's a bit dry though. So it's like a carrot cake but with pistachio. I can see carrot inside. I'm so silly. While I was finding this, like how to come, because when I entered, I thought it was on the ground floor. So I was finding it on the ground floor. And then I came up. I saw the sign from far away. And then I came up. And then there was a person cleaning. And I asked him, how do I go to 100% coffee? And he was just staring at my face. And I was like, how do I go to 100% coffee? And he's like, I'm sorry, ma'am. Then I was like, percent coffee? So he's like, Arabica. I was like, oh yes, Arabica, because coffee was on my mind and percent was on mine. And That was going on in my mind, and he got so confused. And I was like, I am so dumb. So, Arabica got a new name. It's 100% coffee. See the color of my nails? It's become dark. It will become more dark. I'm happy with it. If you are someone like me and you get hurt a lot and need bandages, come here and get the blue ones. They are so good. Next stop is Bath and Body. I just want to see if I can get anything for my sister, if they have any sales or anything. She loves candles, and if nothing is not too expensive, I'll get her something. She will love this. Cans. Oh my god, smells of cinnamon. She would love this too. She would love this also. I can't see the prices anyway. Let's see. This is so good. The cinnamon spiced vanilla. These are the fragrances I like. Strawberry pound cake. Wow. Oh my god. Get this if you like fruity fragrances. Oh my god. So these are 120 each. You buy two, you get two. I'm gonna ask her if she wants something. Okay, she said that she does not want any candles, but I really wanted to get this one for her. Everything is on sale here. Ew. No. So pretty. Alright, let's move and see what else is there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Lulu now. So let's go inside. Reach to Lulu, so let's get everything that I need quickly. So these I use in baking, and they also have a date liquid. So these are the date syrups I took last time, and you must have seen me using in my videos as well. It's so nice. It's not too sweet, and it just is a healthy option than sugar. So yeah, we'll take this. This is what I came for, the pistachio spread, the chocolate one. They also have a white spread, biscotte and bono. Earlier they had only this, and it is really good. It is for 300 grams. I had taken it for around 15 dirhams last time. The price has increased, but it's fine. So it's still cheaper, and the quality of this is very nice, and the taste is very superior to other pastes that I've tried. As well, it's pistachio kunafa chocolate. So these are the instant Arab coffees that I got last time also. So these are good. I want to just take a few and keep it at home, you know, just to enjoy. So, pistachio is haunting me now. They also have these chocolate sets and everything. And done. Thank you. This is the next stop. I want to check out the bags here. They have a mix of brands, so let's go. So Longchamp has been on my bucket list, and I wanted to see the new additions, and I just loved this bag and I fell in love with it, but I did not take it. These are my shoes. These are my pants, the top, the jacket, and the hijab. And this is the tote bag. This kind of matches my outfit. This is the watch section, so all the watches you will get here. They have Rado, they have Longines, they have Tissot, Swatch. Everything is here, so you can. So the airport is quite organized that way. These kiosks are also new. These are the cafes only that are there here, and they have small kiosks here to grab and go. This is the WH Smith. So I quickly took a washroom break. Now I'm on a mission to find where I can refill the water bottle because I need to drink water before I board the flight. And also then go to the washroom because now we will directly land in India. So I will go and freshen up there. And I have no plans of going to the washroom on the airplane. So let's go and find something where I can refill the water. And yeah, let's drink some water. I'm almost done with the ice. Now I'll throw this and refill water. Let's fill some water quickly. Alhamdulillah, I'm just going to keep this in case I need some more water. So I've just come here to check if they have the Miu Miu in stock, and then I can show you all what you have. Where's the Miu Miu? So as you saw previously, I got a pair of sunglasses before I left South Africa, and they were exact dupe of Miu Miu, or maybe even better. I don't like this branding on the side. Then they have their famous red lipstick here. Let me try this. So I have been seeing this red lipstick from Givenchy and I wanted to get them, but I wanted to first try before I could get them. You see, you have to go like 2 or 3 times to get the product. It's not that pigmented, but the colors are nice. And these are the perfumes. And the problem is that they are just spraying perfume on you without asking, which I don't like. So that is why I'm not checking them out. They have so much. It's like a lab. They have Kayali here. My favorite out of the fragrances, this one. Juicy apple. These three. So I tried the foundation on me, and honestly it was so pigmented on hand. On face it gave a very sheer finish. It is like a tint. It is nice, but nothing that would filter out your face. My face has started to itch, so that is what I was worried about, and I'm glad I tried it. I then tried some highlighter. My hand is looking so weird. I need to clean this up before I try something more. I think Pat McGrath has shut on this airport. The kiosk used to be here in space of Bobby Brown, and they don't have Pat McGrath anymore. So I think I can't get the blush. So smooth the pigment is. Sol de Janeiro 62, get it. Pistachio lovers get it. Salted caramel lovers get it. This has to be my favorite kiosk on this airport, the Gucci kiosk. The makeup, everything, the aesthetics is so beautiful that you do end up buying something. I did have this crimson lipstick from this collection, the vintage one. So I did not get one because that is the only color I used and I had recently got it. This is their gift shop called the Souk, and you get everything Arab style and very cute stuff. From keychains to pens to mugs to small perfumes, you will find everything here. These keychains are really cheap and good for gifting. And you'll also find dry fruits, chocolates, and little magnets for gifting. Gifts. So you can just take back home and gift your loved ones. Coin pouches, these are coin pouches, show pieces and everything. Hello camel, how are you? Are you? They have they have these magnets of Sheikh Zayed Mosque, and this globe is of 50 dirhams. These brass vessels, and they're engraved and painted. Basically they have all the chocolates and dates, everything. Here they have a camel shaped chocolate. So they have this entire section of cool camels and the accessories and the gifts that you. This is my favorite collection, this mint blue color that they have, and just look at it, it's so cute. This is my favorite collection of the souk here, and this is also available at the Dubai airport because I had got these from the Dubai airport, from the Emirates airport. Yeah, I loved this mug. It's so beautiful, it's so me. Let's see the price. It's for 29 dirhams, which is around 6, 7, 8. And I love this collection, the Arabia, Impressions of Arabia. It is just so beautiful. Oh, my head is really hurting now, so I'm going to get out of the store and eat something and drink something before it gets worse. And I'm also going to take medicine. First I'll go fill water and then we'll head up. My head was hurting, my body was hurting, and now I have fever. Need to take medicine, so I'm going to eat first. I just got out of the shop and my head started to spin, so I just sat down for a while. So I'm just waiting and then I'll go upstairs. I think I'm gonna just go. Yes, madam, we will call this number. So I got my food. I'm going to eat this, take my medicine, and then go and sit at the gate. So it's got very warm on the airport, and I realized it's going to be warm when I land in India as well. So I just got rid of my jacket, and now I'm still waiting for the gate announcement. I feel much better after I took the medicine. My headache is less, a little bit weak, and I'm warm also. So I'm just going to sit for the gate number and then head to the gate and board the plane. Alright, and if you have liked this vlog, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment down now and subscribe now. Bye bye. Until then, take care, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.